Hey guys, Mina here, and I'm taking you on another quick peek, and this time it's also great because I have the listing agent with me here, Judy Grattan. Say hello guys to Judy Grattan. How are you doing, Judy?
How are you? Welcome.
I'm doing great as always. How are you doing?
I'm doing really good.
Great.
Thank you.
Good. So hey Judy, tell us about this beautiful listing.
Well, this is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath Rambler. It's been completely remodeled. It has radiant heat. For instance, in the master bedroom, it heats the entire floor and your towel warmer. We also have RV parking on the side that has complete hookups, including a black water drain. So you don't have to take that baby anywhere to clean it up. You can do it right here at home.
Nice. Okay.
Want to take a peek?
Let's go.
All right.
All right.